So scattered across the whole free roam land of Jurassic Park, in this instance, are workers in peril. So using Dino Handler Vic here to free this worker, and you get workers in peril. There are currently 20 of them, and this one is Dino Handler Bob. So guys, this is the final worker in peril near the cupcake stand. So for this we just need a raptor to pull on the lever, and we have got all the workers in peril now, with this one being Loudry. And there we are, we also have a trophy achievement, send in the helicopters.